Satanam is Kiranjot, and this is a short video about the second mantra that we often use to start a Kundalini Yoga class, the Mangala Charan mantra. Ad GURAY, JUGAAD GURAY, Sad GURAY, SIRI, DEVAY. And I thought I'd explain to you a little bit about where it's from and why we use it. So it's actually the slok, what we call it's like the key. Yeah, it's the first part of a prayer, the Sukhmani Sahib, which is a very old Sikh prayer for peace of mind. And it's chanted at the beginning of this prayer. And it's basically saying, I bow my head, my mind, yeah? And I bow before the Guru, before that wisdom that has flowed through the ages, that much bigger, higher power wisdom. Yeah. I bow my limited consciousness in the hope that my yoga practice is gonna support me to become a little bit wiser, a little bit more conscious, a bit more of a better person, yeah? Or a peaceful person. Actually, what we want to do with our yoga practice is really reveal our true selves. So we chant this mantra. After chanting Om Namo Gurudev Namo, we chant this mantra in a prayerful position. Ad GURAY NAMEH, JUGAAD GURAY NAMEH, Sad GURAY NAMEH, SIRI DEVAY NAMEH. And as I teach, I like to imagine, because it's got 4 parts to it, so I like to imagine like the 4 directions, like holding space for everybody. Everybody gathers and it holds the space, because it means in the beginning, yeah, this wisdom has pervaded in the beginning, through the ages, as it is now, and as it shall always and ever be, whether we're here or not. So I hope that's helpful to you. I'll chant it once more. NAMEH, yeah, it's short. You don't linger with the NAMEH. So it's Ad GURAY NAMEH, JUGAAD GURAY NAMEH, Sad GURAY NAMEH, SIRI DEVAY NAMEH. Yeah. And whenever you're chanting, enunciate your words, open your mouth wide, and chant from the heart. Like, I feel quite lucky. I love using my voice. I have a job where I chant every day. Chanting to me is normal. Yeah, like bread and butter, just what you do. But I understand if you're beginner, if you're new to this kind of stuff, if you think that your voice is somehow ugly, then it might be a bit more challenging. But as you practice, you get fall more and more in love with the vibration that you're creating. And you get more used to using your voice and opening your throat chakra, so that more of what you speak really comes from a deeper, more truthful part of yourself. And it also helps hear the truth as well, because communication is a two-way thing. So I hope that's helpful. Hopefully see you in class sometime soon. Satnam.